guys! Rhazel here! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have another haul para sa inyo. I got some stuff from MAC Cosmetics and then we went to DAISO as well. So, dito yung mga DAISO stuff. Hindi ko ina-expect na pupunta ako ng MAC today. Pumunta ako para humingi ng sample. Ayoko naman humingi ng sample tapos wala akong bibilhin. Pero hindi naman marami yung binili ko. I only have 2 stuff from MAC. So, I'm just gonna start with that. And also the sample. So, tatlo technically, but not really. The first one I got is the MAC Prep and Prime, the MAC Fix Plus. I decided to get it because I need it, pero this one is defective, as you guys can see. Right there, sira siya. So I need to return it. Siguro sa Monday, I'm gonna keep it. I need to remember to keep the receipt. And then second is the MAC Lip Pencil in the shade Soar. Ito yung pinaka nagustuhan ko sa lahat. Like, ito yung pinakauna ko nakita doon na parang I want that. And then I swatch it on the back of my hand. I was like, yeah, this is pretty. And then she tried it on my lips. And nagustuhan ko siya. Ganyan yung lip liner, oh. O, diba? That is the swatch right there. O, diba? Akong-ako yung color niya. And then, she gave me a sample. Sorry. It's the washing machine. Nung Pro Longwear na foundation, I am in the shade NC35. And that's actually what I have on my, on this part of my face right here. As well as here. Hindi ko pinagalaw sa kanya yung like whole face ko because I'm trying 2 different foundations. Actually, I have 3 different foundations on my face right now. Like here, Estee Lauder Double Wear. Here is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Light. And then on this part of my face, I have the Pro Longwear na NC35. And I'm glad na I did that kasi alam ko na ngayon yung shade ko, na perfect shade ko talaga. It's NC35. And then onto the DAISO stuff. It's not really a lot. Yung mga pinamili namin is yung mga as in kailangan lang talaga namin. Or maybe like not all sobrang kailangan talaga. But yeah, most of it kailangan namin. The first one is this. Ito, hindi ko talaga siya in super kailangan. Maybe, yeah, maybe I need it. I don't know. But it is this. Partition. Yeah, partition. Yeah. Ganyan yung itsura niya, oh. Tapos you can cut it para mo-organize mo yung makeup mo. So, ganyan siya. Isa muna yung binili ko kasi I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it. And hindi ko din alam kung ilang talaga yung kailangan ko. So, I started with 1. Ano pala, yung DAISO pala dito is $2.80. So, hindi ko alam kung anong conversion nun sa Philippine money. But yeah, $2.80. And then I also got this. I need cotton pads. I use cotton pads on a daily. Like, I use it to remove my makeup. I use it to apply my toner. I use it to apply my deodorant. Like, I use it and I need it. So, I got this. So, dalawa na siya. It's 180 lahat kasi 90. And ito yung like closed yung gilid niya. So, hindi siya like, you know, mag-fray. And I will try it. I will let you know if magugustuhan ko siya. And yeah. Ang dami na nito. Sana mag-last talaga siya ng bonggang-bongga. And sana maganda siya. Okay, next one from DAISO is this. Ilalagay ko siya sa kusina and lalagyan siya nito. Yung pang ano ng plato, kutsara, you know, dishes. And gusto ko siya. Merong dalawang ganito doon. Not exactly the same, but kind of like, you know, the same idea. Yung isa white na basta white. And ito, ganito. So, ito na lang yung kinuha ko kasi parang mas nagmamatch siya sa kitchen. Yung white kasi like white. Tapos yung kitchen parang ganito yung kulay. I mean, the same, ganito yung kulay. So, I decided to go for this one. And, yeah, ilalagay namin yung aming para sa laundry dyan. No, not laundry. What the heck? Sponge para sa plato at sa mga kutsara at mga baso, you know, sonyos. Okay, next one. Ito si Dan yung kumuha na to. I think this is $2.80 as well. I'm pretty sure lahat dito $2.80. Wait. Let me just make sure, people. Let me just make sure. Ay, plastic bag for 15 cents. So, ito, 15 cents yan. And lahat na $2.80. Yep, yung total ko, my gosh, $25.35. Pero ito, $2.80 siya. Kinuha to ni Dan kasi daw sabi niya magagamit namin to when we transfer our smoothie from the blender to our, like, you know, lalagyan na madadala namin. So, yeah. Wala kasi kaming ganito. Hindi ako mahilig sa red at all. Pero yung nandun, yung bright green, yung neon green, at saka red. So, I was like, whatever. Red na lang. And then, this one. Ito yung pinunta talaga namin sa DAISO, guys. Kasi, naghahanap kami ng panlinis namin ng mga tumbler namin. And mahaba na siya. So, parang ganun-ganun mo dun. Lilinisin linisin mo siya ng bongga, like that, or like that. $2.80. Magkano ba yung conversion? Uy, mga 100? 100 ba? Yeah, I think. Or maybe less than 100. Ito, yung pot na nilagyan ko ng sample ng MAC na prolong wear. So, ganyan siya. Maganda siya, guys, oh. Meron na siyang white at saka yung pink. So, yung white, obviously, ginamit ko na. And, maganda siya. Cute siya. Ipakita ko sa inyo, ha. Kasi, pagka hindi kayo maniwala na cute siya, ipapakita ko siya sa inyo. So, ganyan siya, oh. O, diba, ang cute? 10 grams yung pwede mo malagay dyan. Oh. Next time na pupunta ako, may plano akong humingi ng sample, dadalhin ko na yan para sabihin nila, wala kaming pot. I have a pot for you, girl. So, yun. Ay. And then, this one is lalagyan ng toothbrush at saka toothpaste. So, ilalagay mo yung mga toothbrushes nyo dyan and toothpaste dyan. And, yeah, kasi yung amin, ano siya, glass ata siya. Eh, natatakot ako na kapag nahulog siya, mababasag. So, ito plastic. And it's clear, white. You know, keeping it simple. Nice, nice, nice. And then this one, guys, kinuha ko to kasi gusto ko lang talaga siyang itry. This is the, ano ba tawag dito? Egg timer. Oh, egg timer. Ang cute-cute, diba? So, kung gusto mo ng soft, medium, hard, yung egg mo, yan. So, itong egg na to, isasama mo siya sa binuboil mo na eggs. Isasama mo talaga ito, isasama mo siya dun. And then, kapag nag-light up yung soft, that means ready na yung egg mo, soft yung yolk. Right? Yeah, kapag medium, hard, you know what I mean? Ito, try ko siya. I will let you guys know if it works. Kasi if it works, that would be great, right? Gusto ko kasi yung egg ko medium, hindi hard, hindi din as in like runny soft. So, we'll see if this works. And then, I got eyelashes. Ito, separate trip ko to sa DAISO. Actually, I got these nung kasama ko si Kat at saka si Ann. Nagpunta kami ng DAISO. So, I think over a week ago. And ito yung unang kinuha ko. Looks like that. You guys, this is only $1.80. Same with this one. It's only $1.80. And look at that. And I don't think I will be using these. Plano ko sana gamitin ko sila sa wedding. Kaya lang, I don't think I will end up using this kasi I think, I'm not sure yet. I think mag-eyelash extension ako. I know, sobrang daming tsakang experience sa eyelash extension, pero yung mama na Dan, magpapa-eyelash extension siya. And then, i-observe ko muna yung sa kanya. If okay yung sa kanya, then I will get eyelash extensions. If not, then yeah, practice pa more na pag-apply ng false eyelashes. I suck at applying false eyelashes and I have no idea why. Like, I think I'm doing it right, but obviously I'm not doing it right because it doesn't look good. It doesn't stay on. It's just like, I have no idea what's going on. Sana mag-work sa mama niya yung eyelash extensions kasi like, that's easy for me. I don't have to worry about applying false eyelashes during the day, you know what I mean? And then the last thing, ito na pala yung last from DAISO. This is $2.80 lang din, guys. This is bath slippers, pero I am planning to wear this around the house. Kasi yung house slippers ko is pang winter, yung as in full on na matatabunan talaga yung paa mo na parang boots siya. Not boots. Pero yung style niya, if you guys have been watching my vlogs, yung lumang vlogs, alam nyo yung ibig kong sabihin. But wala akong pambahay na tsinelas na open lang. Ayoko naman suotin yung parang boots na pangbahay ko kasi sobrang init. So I decided to get this kasi open siya. And the color is not bad at all. Like, I do not like pink. Like, pink. Pero kapag baby pink siya, tapos may combination pa siya na gray, I like it. I like pink kapag meron siyang kasamang ibang kulay. Like, pink and black, pink and white. Pero like pink alone, I'm not a big fan. Pero yeah. Yes. And then we also went to K-MART. Yun yung last stop namin today, K-MART. And Dan got this. O diba, napaka-fancy. Kailangan niya ng tumbler para sa kanyang smoothie. So, ito yung pinili niya. Perfect. $10 lang to. That's it. That's boring. And we also went to Priceline. Yung kasama ko yung girls. And bumili din ako ng eyelashes dun, guys. Nakakaloka. Kasi I was like hunting eyelashes that day. I was like, I need eyelashes. So yeah, I got home with 4 pairs of freaking eyelashes that I don't think I will use at all. But this one is from Eyelure. It looks really pretty. I actually really like this one. See? Very like, you know, parang hindi siya, vava-voom siya, but not like crazy Vavavoom, like not super fake looking Vavavoom. Well, it's still fake looking, but you guys know what I mean. And then this is the Ardell Wispies, yung Baby Demi. Yung hinahanap ko talaga sa Priceline is yung Demi Wispies nila. But, wala na sila nung Demi. Meron sila Baby Demi. And actually, Baby Demi is fine sa akin. Hindi siya like super long. Para sa akin, okay lang siya. Like, very volumized and like, you know, naturally volumized looking ng aking eyelashes when I use this. So yeah, I really like it. Medyo may kamahalan yung Ardell at saka yung Eyelure compared sa 180 from DAISO. Pero obviously, hindi ko pa nagamit yung sa DAISO. Ano ba yan? Gulo-gulo na na! You guys, sobrang gulo na dito. Like, hindi ko alam kung kailan ko pa ito maayos itong buhay ko dito. Pero ang gulo-gulo. Anyway, I forgot what I was saying. And also, I got a package from Rosegal a few days ago. I got maybe 4 things in here. So, I'm just gonna quickly show you guys. The first one is this pair of sunnies na looks like this. Oh, no. I'm not sure about that. It feels parang malaki siya. Ililive ko yung mga links nito below ha, if you guys are interested. I actually started choosing yung mga pang winter or pang fall na clothing. Sobrang dami ko ng summer clothes and you know, mag-end na yung summer te. Speaking of winter and fall, this is definitely for winter. This is really thick. Not super thick, but it's heavy and thick. So I can get away wearing this during the winter. But this is a camo super oversized jacket na merong hood. Tapos, meron siyang mga patches. You can also adjust the waist because meron siya nitong string. And then the back, you guys, the back looks like that. I have no idea what that is. Very good quality ng kanyang pagkalagay dyan ng patch. And yeah, overall, very good quality. My gosh, nangangawit yung aking ano sa kabigatan nitong jacket na iyan. And then next one is this cardigan. This actually reminds me of the cardigan that I always wear. This is the lighter version of that kasi yun, mabigat din yun and makapal. Ito medyo hindi ganun kakapal. And then next one is this one. It looks like that. And meron siya ng choker na effect dito. And meron siyang pa-sexy. Not really sexy. Hindi mo makikita yung cleavage mo dyan. I feel like, yeah. Layo na dito yung cleavage ko, oh. Kahit gaano pa yan kababa, walang makikita na cleavage kasi wala na akong cleavage. And then sa likod, meron siyang zipper na goes all the way down. Like so. The material of this one is thin. The last one is actually one of my favorites. Based lang naman sa color niya. Like, look at this color. See, hindi ko pa ito na-try itong lahat ng to eh. And ganun. That's it from Rosegal. Again, I will leave the links below. And that is it for this haul. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully. Yeah, do not forget, be good. Bye. Mwah.